Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow ChatGPT to access photos on Mac. So if you use ChatGPT to analyze images, upload pictures, or work with photos during your conversations, the app needs permission to access your photo library. Without this permission, you may not be able to select images directly from the photos library. So macOS gives you full control over this access, so you can decide exactly what ChatGPT is allowed to see. So if you'd like to enable photo access for ChatGPT, first click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Privacy and Security. Here click on Photos and find ChatGPT and then click on the Options button right to it. After that, a pop-up window will appear where you can control to include location while giving access to photos. You can control the captions and you even can change the format to automatic, current or most compatible. And once done, click on this done button and ChatGPT will now able to access your photos based on the option you have selected, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.